بداية نبتدئ مع السيد جبران صديق، المؤسس والرئيس التنفيذي لشركة ذريعة للاستشارات في الهند. يتكلم عن تطورات تقنية الذكاء الاصطناعي التوليدي Generative AI في الصناعة المالية. فليتفضل مشكورا.
Thank you. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد، أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Eminent delegates on the dais, respected guests, and all my dear friends, it gives me immense happiness and pleasure to be amongst all of you here on the 10th Doha Islamic Finance Conference. A decade of impact in the field of Islamic finance by the DIFC brand. I would like to congratulate the team of DIFC, Dr. Osama and his colleagues for achieving the significant feat, and we wish and pray to Allah Azza wa Jal that many more years are here like this in the field of Islamic finance. Having said that, my topic for today is the evolution of artificial intelligence in the field of finance. A very interesting topic as well as a very trending topic. As we all understand that artificial intelligence has been a trending topic for the last 1 year, and everyone and anyone has been looking forward to be a part of AI in the years to come. Now, as we understand that AI has been impacting lives, my presentation today will be focusing on where the AI has been impacting in the next 10 years, and it will be more of a hypothesis and more of an understanding on what sort of impact it would create in the field of finance. It will not be tech-centric, it will be more on a concept to help you understand what is artificial intelligence and what could be its impact. Having said that, whatever concepts we are speaking today will be more focused on the practical usability and use case scenarios. Now let's come to the most important aspect of what is artificial intelligence. I'm sure all of you understand AI to be a very tech-centric product, which is a technology of its own. However, I beg to differ. I would like to mention that artificial intelligence is more of an enhancement. It is something which adds more value to existing technologies. It's more like a brain for a technological body. So if you have to understand artificial intelligence, you have to understand other technologies as well. Only if you're able to understand the other technologies, you'll be able to see the maximum impact AI can have on various other products and solutions. So I would like to start off by helping you understand where is the industry moving towards when it comes to technology, especially the internet. In the next 10 years or 20 years, I particularly feel that artificial intelligence will be the nucleus of the trending changes in the technological sphere. Technology has been changing drastically in the last 3 years. You would see every 3 months or every 6 months, something new has been coming into the technological sphere. But where I see AI in the next 10 years, I see it as a nucleus, where 5G or 6G internet will be the fundamental layer. AI would be the nucleus. Blockchain, data analytics, meta, quantum computing, and various other technologies will be an overlay of this technology, which will allow AI to enhance itself in various other spheres in the field of finance. As we all understand that when we talk about finance, finance has been a term which has been used for the last almost for the last decade or 2 decades as just a solo learned term. But right now I feel that term will become more obsolete in nature, because the moment you add tech to anything, it becomes fintech. And I feel in the next years to come, it will be more fintech in the field of finance more than anything else. So hence all my presentation today I'll be talking about fintech, because the moment technology gets integrated with finance, it starts focusing on various fintech related solutions. The first case study or the first scenario which I believe would be the future would be a mega financial algorithm. Imagine that you have a mega AI-backed financial algorithm which has all your needs financially, understands what are your risks, understand what you like, what you dislike, what type of products you like to use and what type of products you like to invest upon. This mega algorithm, which we see in Instagram and Facebook and social media, which allows to be using your visibility to bring you the necessary products, will become more available in finance. Based on your spending, based on your cash flow, based on your assets, based on your investments. This mega algorithm will start impacting your lives, backed by artificial intelligence, which will be a huge impact in the lives of many of us in the years to come. then I foresee that there will be a lot of personalization and automation in the field of finance. What I mean by personalization and automation, imagine you have been always wanting to invest into various investment vehicles, stocks, cryptos, bonds, or any other financial vehicle, but you have been always apprehensive. You're not sure whether your investment will give you success. You're not sure whether your investment will give you the impact which is required. What if there's an AI-based bot which takes the best trades in the last 5 years based on the best investors, gives you the best trading indicators, and it invests on your behalf based on your risk appetite? This will increase your profitability by 80%, reduce your failure by 80% as well. When you are saying this is already, as I'm talking about this is already being implemented by the top brands in the world like Bloomberg and many other in terms of AI for helping trading. The next aspect of it would be the onset of collaborative AI. AI has various formats. As I said, AI clings upon various technologies. You have predictive AI, you have generative AI, you have collaborative AI. When I speak about collaborative AI, this will blur the lines between deposits and lending. You will see cash flow as a service evolving. Cash flow as a service, depending upon what sort of a cash flow you have, will be the trending provider for the banks, and it will no longer be credit bureaus. Looking at how your cash flow is, looking about how your deposits and lending is, these new asset classes will come, which will become the locus of control, allowing fintech to evolve on the back of artificial intelligence. The next aspect, as these trends are coming into existence, we will see the banks would become more obsolete in nature. No offense meant to the bankers here. What I meant by obsolete in nature, I mean to say that there will be more transitions in the banking industry in a hybrid neo-banking segment. When I say a hybrid between Web 2 and Web 3, understanding where the markets are, understanding what the needs of the user are. The transition will be from the center of banking to the users themselves. This will become the future of banking in terms of neo-banking globally. We have seen a lot of other banks which have already started transitioning themselves into the neo-banking segment. And this backed by artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and various other technologies will add a huge impact in the financial markets. Fintech will become more portable and interoperable in nature. We all have seen recently the buzz around the Oculus Rift, which is being created by Apple as well as Meta. And as we understand that this has been trending, I particularly believe that there will be a product which will be launched only for the fintech products, which will allow you to club all fintech products under one platform, allowing you to use it globally, being able to purchase assets anywhere in the world, have one single global KYC, allowing you to deposit and withdraw from any other country, taking care of all the regulatory norms. This one product will allow you to upgrade your financial needs and your financial resources based on the requests which you have. Artificial intelligence integrated with blockchain technology will provide smart contracts, allowing you to understand the best practices in terms of investments. The best clubbing of insurances, the best clubbing of bonds, the best clubbing of investments will come to you based on smart contracts and artificial intelligence. This will be an automatic indicator providing and prompting you to invest in the right places, not necessarily just in a particular country. Based on your spendings and based on your investment portfolio, the prompts will come from different parts of the world, and this will allow you to be able to invest in multiple portfolios, clubbing it in any part of the world. New blockchain payment and identity services, that is KYC and protocols, will become global. Once you have done your KYC in one platform, it will be integrated globally, and you will not have to go through the same cumbersome process and tasks every year. This will allow you to be having a global ease in terms of access to finance and financial related products. The emergence of fintech, cloud, and infrastructure. As we are all aware of AWS, as it is right now in terms of cloud, I anticipate and believe that there will be many fintech companies and many open source softwares which will plug itself into one fintech cloud, allowing this fintech cloud to provide you with a complete infrastructure in terms of quantum, KYC, that is encryption, providing you with safety, which allows you to have a high-level cloud focused on only fintech infrastructure, providing you with various solutions backed by artificial intelligence, giving you the best customized probability of a product in terms of banking and any banking or financial related institutions. This also includes banking as a service and investment as a service. This will be something which will be very interesting to see how there will be investment as a service which will be more launched in the fintech platforms, as well as banking as a service more on a digital level in the new banking aspect.
1 minute only.
Having said that, I would like to move forward towards the most important aspect of my presentation. What if the government of any country is able to increase the cash flow or is able to increase the flow of the currency in the country through a press of a button. Through a press of a button, you will be able to increase the cash flow or the supply of the currency in the market, because various CBDCs and digital currencies would have been in the market, and this will allow the cash flow to have increased and reduced based on the inflation. Money as an operating software, money as OS will become the trending norm, where the countries will upgrade themselves based on services and the benefits they provide to the economy and to the people. Last but not the least, I will urge you to understand risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. And we as members here, if we do not know where technology is heading towards, we are at a significant risk. Every 100 years, the financial industry changes, and last time when it changed, we as an Islamic finance institution were able to lose the trend of time, and we were 50 years late. I urge all of us to be able to take this trend after 100 years and be a significant player in the field of Islamic fintech and create a huge impact in the field of Islamic finance. Thank you so much for having me here. This is Jubran Siddiq signing off. It's an absolute pleasure being amongst all of you. Thank you so much.
شكرا جزيلا أخي العزيز جبران على هذا العرض. حقيقة حرصنا في هذا المحور أن نجمع بين التقني والخبير الشرعي، وبالتالي أستاذ جبران هو تقني جدا في قضايا التكنولوجيا المالية.